Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage your active status on Messenger for iPhone, especially with the latest iOS 18 update. It's a super simple process, but sometimes these things can be a little tricky to find. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Messenger app and make sure you're logged into your account. You should be on your main chat screen, like this. Now, look up to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the menu icon. It's represented by three short horizontal lines. Tap on it. This will bring up the side menu. From here, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Tap on it. Now, you're in your Messenger account settings. Scroll down the list until you find Active Status. It should be somewhere around here. Once you've found it, tap on it. Here, you'll see a toggle switch. This is what controls your active status. If the toggle is switched on, your friends and connections will be able to see when you're active or recently active on Messenger. If you want to hide your online status, simply toggle the switch off. Don't forget to tap Done in the top right corner of your account settings menu to save your changes. Now, no one will see when you're online. It's important to note that this setting only affects your active status. You can still use Messenger and Facebook normally, even if your active status is turned off. So, you can still send messages, receive calls, and browse Facebook without anyone knowing you're online. And that's all there is to it. Managing your active status on Messenger is that easy. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to control your online presence on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!